Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to take a look at this, which I saw by chance on Aliexpress and realised that I needed one. And it is a wiper, excuse me, it is a wiper restorer. Now this is the rear wiper of my car, and as you can see it's absolutely knackered. It doesn't do a very good job of taking the water off the window, and like I said, I saw this by chance and I decided to give it a go. So that's what we're going to do. Now there's a directional arrow on here, I don't know if you can make that out, but there's a directional arrow. So obviously this is the direction we're going to be going in while using it. And what we do is we take one of these, we have two slots, I'm not quite sure. There's no instructions, so I'm basically guessing here, but there's two slots. I don't know if one takes more off than the other or not, but we're just going to go with this one. I'm just going to put our wiper in there. Just make sure I get that right. I've got that on there. And we'll literally run the wiper through it. Let's see what happens. Oh, you can see what's happening there. Just taking a bit off the top of the blade. Like that. And as you can see, what it's doing is it's evening out the blade. Now if I keep going, eventually I'll get down to where it's been worn down to there, all the way along. Which, to be honest, this is that worn, I should just get a new one, and I will just get a new one. I'm just demonstrating this. And so as you can see, let's took that off. I'm not sure if there's two sides, like I say. Now one might take more off than the other, I'm not sure. We're going to run it over again, making sure we're in the right direction. Just going to put the wiper in there. So it excuse the noise in the background. And we'll just go over it again. Take a bit more off as you. No, it's not taking off. Can't see. Oh. And then there we go. So I just knocked out the two wire, whatever they're called. That's not a problem. So yeah, it didn't take nothing off it on that go. So I'm gonna use the other one, which would be that one, I believe. Maybe it'll take a bit more off. I'm not sure, but we're gonna have a look. Oops, I'm going in the wrong direction. I can't actually remember which side I use now, but we'll just give it another go. Yeah, so that's took nothing off. So I'll just go on the next one, see what happens. And that's taken nothing off either. And I can only imagine that's because we are so, there's not a lot of the wiper left. But anyway, I've demonstrated it, and unless your wiper's really worn, like mine is at these ends here, then I should imagine this would be great, because it did do what it's supposed to do. It took the top piece, it took the, a sliver of it away just to straighten it all back up again, but there's that much worn down on each end, it's never going to get down there, is it? Well, then off I go. Yeah, it's at the limit, so the blade must only come so far. So it's obviously it was already close to being worn down too far. So yeah, you've seen it working. It only cost a few dollars. There'll be links in the description if you want one. Thanks for watching. Bye.